Good morning, YouTubers. Day 5. Ooh, I'm really close up. There she is, all dressed up and warm. Got a fire going already. It is what, 9:30 in the morning?
Yeah.
Got her coffee going. Still ain't got to use our dang on shower yet. Been too cold.
Enjoy your day.
Thank you, you too.
Gonna have to dig the puppies out today.
Yeah.
Gonna need them.
Woke up to 47 degrees, felt like 43.
No, it was earlier, but it was down to 43 last night.
Yeah, I got down to 43.
Like 6 o'clock.
Temperature we woke up to was 47. We got a frost advisory for tonight.
Yeah.
And
Freeze advisory for
freeze
tomorrow.
or freeze watch for tomorrow.
We're gonna just try tonight, see what happens.
Yeah.
There's not enough room in there to run the buddy heater.
No.
I don't know. We could take that other tent completely down and go in this tent tonight.
Yeah, we could. Sleep in that one there tonight. Go ahead and just take that down because we're moving camp tomorrow anyway.
Yep.
Good. Probably end up taking our shower privy down. Probably take our tent down. Put all that stuff in there away.
We can use the heater in there.
Get everything packed up. That way maybe tomorrow all we gotta do is take that down, have our breakfast, and hook up the boat and head out.
Yep.
Be that fast, I hope.
Yep.
But today, don't know what today's gonna bring. Well guys, today we are going to be fishing off the bridge here in Door Lake. Today is the last day here and camping, and we're going to just fish off the lake because it's kind of chilly and a little windy. Right now it ain't too bad, but you can see old Jan way down there on the bridge with the stuff. But we're going to try fishing on the bridge and see what happens. I know a couple people that's been fishing here this past weekend, and they've done pretty good on the perch. So we're going to try it and see what happens. Look at this here. People have been leaving little rocks around. They don't say nothing. They're just little good day things. I don't know who's been doing that, but that's kind of cool. Oh, here's some more. There's a little sunshine one and a butterfly one, a starfish. There's somebody out there fishing. Don't see nothing down in there. It don't mean there ain't nothing down in there though. Alright. I'm gonna get to fishing and see what happens. take it off for her. Like always, y'all know how y'all know the routine.
No, I've been taking my own perch off. Thank you very much.
Yeah, you
today.
have. You've been doing good.
I'm putting them in the basket myself. Car going by.
Yeah. Pull up our basket.
I'm gonna get a couple. Oh, that thing's gonna flop out of there.
Yeah, he's alright.
Minnows.
There's our basket so far.
Yes.
That's the perchies.
Perchies.
We got perch, bluegill, smallmouth bass.
Yep. We got a couple largemouth. We didn't keep them.
Yeah,